Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to pass your C-39 license exam. Now, the C-39 roofing contractor license exam is going to include sections that cover planning and estimating, job site preparation for roof projects, low slope roof projects, steep slope roof projects, and safety. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the C-39 license, you're definitely going to want to watch our previous video where we break this classification down in detail. Today, we're just going to be focusing on the examination. Now, as is the case with all California contractor licenses that fall under the C specialty, you're going to need to pass your CSLB Law and Business exam. That's going to include sections that cover business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, public works, and then, of course, safety. So essentially, you've got to pass two tests, 115 questions that cover law and business and 115 questions that cover roofing. It's going to be a multiple choice test, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete each section. It's a computerized exam that you'll take at a CSLB testing facility. So keep in mind, if you're applying from out of state, you will need to come to California to actually take the exam. Now, we've got a complete guide that breaks the licensing process down from A to Z. Everything you need to know, the top questions, requirements, how to fill out the application correctly. You can download that in the top right-hand corner. Now, the roofing specialty portion of your exam is going to be extremely critical. You're going to be tested on a wide range of areas, including planning and estimating roof projects, tools and equipment, asphalt and wood shingling, metal roofing, insulation terminology, roofing terminology. You'll need to be familiar with California building codes, tearing off existing roofing, installation of low slope roof systems, flashings, ventilation and underlayment, steep slope roof systems, protecting surroundings, and then of course fall protection and safety. Now there's a lot more that's going to be on this exam. This is just a snapshot of what you need to be prepared to answer questions on. Now the mathematics that you're going to want to be familiar with going into your roofing license, know your applied math obviously, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, understand how to calculate square footage, know your units of measurement, and then of course job costing and estimation generally will include decimals and percentages. Now, preparing for your roofing license exam, obviously, know California law and business. It represents 50% of the exam, and there are a ton of different areas that are going to fall under this portion of the test. Know your roofing fundamentals and know the possible questions that could come up. California takes health and safety codes extremely seriously. Roofing is, a big part of the roofing trade is about safety. So that's going to be a significant portion of this exam. Job site safety, workers' rights, environmental safety. These are all big, big, big topics in California. So make sure that you understand, how to get through these types of questions and that you're familiar with everything that's going to be falling under that section. And then your fundamental math skills. Know your common equations, your common formulas, have some test taking experience. So timed exams, flashcards, questions with answer explanations are extremely helpful. Walkthroughs of the exam with licensed roofers that are breaking the exam down for you, helping you understand exactly what you need to know, and not only how to pass the exam, but how to run a profitable roofing company specifically in California. All of this is going to be included with our C-39 license course. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to our channel. Again, my name is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.